how to buy the fuggler doll token. So this token came under the symbol of Gilbert. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a community on X. They have 150 members there. So if you want to see their CTO, as you can see, you can check their account. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 24 days ago and increased by 500% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, now I will show you how to buy this token. Now clicking here to copy the token address and open your funds managed. For that, now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough swap in your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, now click on your token. So after that, here you can set how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token. As you can see, to select the provider, click on pricing. Now click on provider and select the Jupiter, for example. Click on apply. Now go back. As you can see here, you will be able to see a swap. Now click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a Gilbert token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.